you can bring it back up by pulling up and towards you.
It just broke off at the filter. Nike. Okay, next step.
Okay, so small jet keeps the points here. As well. That's just out of adjustment. This one seems here. And now there's supposed to be a box of parts. Pressure, tension. Screws installed, the idle jet installed. Still need to this let's stop here. And you might experience I really like now we'll choke jet. The float ball is a little bit there's any difference, you can adjust it here. I can see if
So my problem right now is that if I put this through here, and as you can see, they're the same size, so that's kind of a bummer. I'll have to figure something out because it turned out that I have some sort of aftermarket exhaust headers, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so hear me out. What if I just cut this part off about here, insert this here, and that to the exhaust on the motorcycle? So I think that will work. I think that's the only option I have right now, because there's no way I'm getting this to the size of this, and there's no way I'm going to shrink that pipe right there. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay, so the idea I had won't work, basically, because this doesn't quite match up with the end from this, and I already lost a piece anyway, so it doesn't matter. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna order a nice link for the two ends that goes over both of them. But meanwhile, I think I'm gonna use this kind of coke to make a temporary bracket. Cut this open and one goes here, the other goes on the other one, and bada bing bada boom, we have a link. Now believe it or not, this will work until I get the spare part I need. That's right. Okay, now witness my genius. As long as I get them close enough to each other, they should be alright. Now I'm going to tighten both of these up, and hopefully it will work. We'll see. Holy crap, it's holding. I cannot twist it. I'm sure it will leak. We'll see how it goes. The pipes are connected. I think the factory messed up somewhere, because it comes here. It's a pretty good mounting point, but then it goes and comes too high, so that it's hitting this if I want to put it straight. And then I think it's supposed to go there, but it's, I mean, this could maybe work, but it's on the side like that, so that's not really a good option as well. The only link they gave me was this, which is, I don't fucking know where it's supposed to go. Maybe it's supposed to go here. I mean, I could put it there, but it's not proper. I don't know, it seems weird, but I could do that. Okay, so what I managed to do was, this bracket was included with the kit, and I just bent it more so I could get this kind of stupid angle and then mount this together. Okay, I got it out, but this little bit, these two screws were a bitch and a half. It's not really, it's not a really good design, to be honest. Or maybe I'm just dumb, I don't know. Okay, now to change the air filter. I guess you could say it's like I've seen some dirt. Holy shit. Okay, yep, this needs change. Cool. Just a reminder, this is what a new filter is supposed to look like. A filter should never look like this. I mean, it's a miracle that the bike was running at all. Shit. So I also got this cool radiator guard from Ards, which I'm going to put on right now because it makes sense. So I have all this access on both sides. Done. reaalsus on siin mulle.
Kuule, pane kogu juurde. Juba läheb madalamaks.
Kõrva kui hea mõte raisk.